Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made chana masala wrap. Pressure cook soak chana for 4 to 5 whistles till it is soft. Heat oil, add in onion, saute for 2 minutes, add in ginger garlic paste, turmeric and tomato. Saute for 3 minutes, add in chili powder, garam masala powder and pav bhaji masala. Mix well. Add in the cooked chickpeas and salt. Mix well and cook till it is dry. You can mash the chana as needed. Now make some chapatis. Let's make a quick salad. Take onion, carrot, salt, lemon juice and chaat masala powder. Take the wrap and place the chapati, place the filling and top it with the salad. Roll it and wrap it in the parchment paper. So that's it, your wrap is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. I made 2 wrap and carrot in her lunchbox, and this is my homemade Oreo chocolate chip cookies. I have shared the link in the Insta story. Kindly check it. This is what I packed in my kids' lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.